Google Drive won't let me download my files. I recently uploaded a .psd file from work to my personal Google Drive, so I can download and work on it at home. Today when I went onto my Google Drive to download this file, when I pressed the download button, Drive opened another tab in my browser with an error 403 forbidden on it. I tried downloading some other files, and none of the other .psd files on my drive would download either. They also gave me an error 403. All of my other files were able to download, though. I do not know why I am all of a sudden not allowed access to my files, as this was working just the other day. It seems awfully silly that I am forbidden to access my own files. Is there a workaround for this, or am I just going to have to send a disgruntled email to Google about them restricting my access to my files?
If you have multiple Google Drive accounts, try downloading in a separate browser or in incognito mode. For Chrome, the shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+N.
Try logging out of all other users in your web browser, or use incognito mode if your browser has it, which has the effect of doing this. Kudos to Ahmad for saving me with this answer today. As he clarified, and Glenview Jeff and Boynux both suggested in the comments to the op, either of these approaches seem to help because of a bug with multiple user sign-in. It doesn't even matter if all the accounts signed in are granted permission to download the file. It's something about having more than one account signed in. I had this happen today with .xlsx files in both Chrome and IE11. In IE11, I saw the same behavior as the op described here. When I pressed the download button, Drive opened another tab in my browser with an error 403 forbidden on it. They also gave me an error 403. In Chrome the behavior was a little different. It opened a download window prompting me to save a file with a long string of random numbers and letters and no file extension. Clicking save returned a failed, forbidden message in the download tray at the bottom, but the result is the same as the op subject line. Google Drive won't let me download my files.
This works for me. Right-click on the file, then click on Create Shareable Link and use that link.
If you are signed in using multiple accounts on the same browser, try to log out it first and log in again. It works for me.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.